Learning a new language is a lot like planting a tree. You cannot put a seed in the ground and expect to see a tall tree the very next day. It requires time, daily care, and a lot of patience. When you are learning English, there will be days when you feel like you are not making any progress. You might forget a word, or you might not understand someone when they speak quickly. Please know that this is completely normal. Every single person who speaks a second language fluently has felt the exact same frustration. The secret to success is not being perfect. The secret is not giving up. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you build your English skills naturally and confidently. Step 1. Start small and build daily habits. You do not need to study heavy textbooks for 5 hours a day to become good at English. In fact, studying for just 15 to 20 minutes every single day is much better than studying for 3 hours once a week. Make English a natural part of your daily routine. Watch short videos or listen to quick audio clips while you are getting ready in the morning. When you consume small, bite-sized pieces of English every day, your brain slowly gets used to the sounds and rhythm of the language without feeling tired. Step 2. Focus on sentence patterns. Many students spend all their time trying to memorize strict grammar rules. While grammar is helpful, focusing only on rules can make you feel stuck and afraid to make mistakes. Instead of memorizing rules, try learning common sentence patterns. A pattern is like a template. For example, if you learn the pattern, "I am planning to" plus action, you can suddenly say many different things. I am planning to go home. I am planning to eat lunch. I am planning to call my friend. When you learn patterns, speaking becomes much faster and much easier. You do not have to build every sentence from zero. Step 3. Learn words in context. When you find a new English word, do not just write the word down by itself. Words alone are easy to forget. Always write the new word inside a full sentence. If you want to learn the word comfortable, do not just remember the translation. Remember a sentence like, "This chair is very comfortable." This helps your brain understand exactly how and when to use the word in real life. Step 4. Practice speaking early. The biggest block for most English learners is fear. You might think, "I will start speaking when my English is better." But the truth is, your English will only get better because you start speaking. Do not wait for perfection. Start practicing your speaking right now. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, record your own voice on your phone, or practice with a friend. Yes, you will make mistakes, but making mistakes is actually a good thing. Every mistake is a sign that you are trying, and every mistake helps you learn what to do better next time. Step 5. Surround yourself with English. Try to create an English environment around yourself. Change the language on your phone and your social media accounts to English. Watch your favorite movies with English subtitles. Follow English pages online that talk about things you are already interested in, like cooking, sports, or travel. When you learn English through things you enjoy, it stops feeling like work and starts feeling like fun. Believe in your journey. Getting proficient in English is a marathon, not a quick race. There is no magic trick to wake up fluent tomorrow, but if you practice a little bit every day, focus on useful patterns, and bravely use your voice, you will reach your goal. Be proud of yourself for taking on this challenge. Every new word you learn, every short video you understand, and every sentence you speak is a victory. Keep going, believe in yourself, and remember that your hard work will pay off.